Our summer release is here and we've got some amazing things to share with you. Now this is our biggest release of the year and we've got specialist embossing powders, some new embossing sparkles, brand new Fab Foil colours and our new and innovative mixed media additives. Let's start with our Fruit Puffs quad. This foursome packs a colourful punch. We've got banana puff, watermelon puff, cucumber puff and bilberry puff. Here's some samples that our fabulous design team have created. Experience the magic of our Fruit Puffs quad, where each powder transforms with heat to bring a delightful puffy texture and vibrant matte finish to your creations. Let your imagination run wild with these special effect powders. Perfect for adding a touch of fruity fun to your crafting projects. Up next, we have our Ice Crystals trio, the latest embossing sparkles inspired by the wonderful Marian Embossing. White ice, blue ice, and pink ice. Again, here's some inspiration to share. These powders capture the essence of icicles and frosty crystals. They'll bring a touch of frost-kissed elegance to your creations. Our $1 Million Duo is an exciting new set featuring the rich and chunky Vegas Gold and the first of our new Mixed Media Additives, Silver Glass. This is a luxurious pairing of embossing powder and mixed media additive designed to bring a show-stopping sparkle to your creative projects. This duo exudes the energy of piles of gold and jewels, perfect for crafters looking to add a touch of opulence to their work. Pastiche is a standalone and enchanting addition to our embossing powders, inspired again by the talented Marian Embossing. Opaque white with flecks of gold and some chunky mica flakes, ensuring a unique and captivating result every time you emboss. Now we've already met the gorgeous silver glass, but now let's take a look at our other mixed media additives that we're releasing. First up, it's dragon scales. Next, we have Harlequin. Our MMAs contain no embossing powder, making them incredibly versatile. You could mix with powders, integrate into pastes, use with adhesives, sprinkle on the top, or leave them free for added movement in your designs. The creative possibilities are limitless with this brand new innovative product. These new mixed media additives are a fun and exciting addition to our product line. There are so many techniques and ideas for using them, and we will have a detailed introduction video to share to give you some inspiration. Lastly, we have 3 gorgeous new colours of Fab Foil. Peruvian Gold is a stunning new matte gold, which is sure to be a very welcome addition to our range. Metal Marmalade is a vibrant, glossy orange foil that's unique and oh so eye-catching, ideal for adding a burst of colour to your projects. Then, my personal favourite, Deepest Darkest Crimson. This deep, rich crimson offers an elegant touch to any project. It'll certainly make a bold statement, whether on its own, or you could try it paired with the gorgeous new matte Peruvian gold. Given that we have these new Fab Foils, now is the perfect time to reintroduce our Fab Foilers. Now these aren't new, but their versatility and ease of use make them a must-have in your crafty toolkit. They are the perfect pairing to our Fab Foils, with a variety of pre-printed sentiments, backgrounds, patterns and solid sheets. There's something for everyone. Our fabulous design team have absolutely knocked it out of the park with their fabulous inspiration as always. Links for all of the products that you've seen today are below in the description box, or you'll find a visual list over on our blog. We hope that you're feeling inspired and as excited as we are for this new release. Happy embossing!